Hi guys, I'm Lady Villalba and welcome to my new English video. I'm from Los Patios and today we're going to know more about it. Well, let's go. My town have as a touristic places as Villa de Rosario. On the middle of the slide is Villa de Rosario and on the right is Los Patios. Okay, Los Patios is completely different to Cucuta because there the weather is cooler than in Cucuta and the people is calmer and because my town is similar to a little bottle of peace. There the people from Cucuta arrived to take a rest because in Los Patios is fewer traffic then. Also, there are less people on the street and we are less noisy than in Cucuta. On the slide, at the bottom part of the slide is Los Patios and at the top are the photos of Cucuta. Well, now on the other hand, my town have more buildings than El Zulia. But El Zulia have more rivers than my town, than Los Patios. Los Patios is the park's town. There is other corner we have a park literally because in Los Patios the most important thing is to be healthy, also spend time with own family and spend time with own family is more important to the gossip than the gossip. Finally, La San Pablo is the oldest church in my town because it's around 15 years and my town have 23. Okay guys, this is on the right is La San Pablo before and now is on the left. Okay guys, this all for today and thank you for watching this video and nice to see you again obviously and bye.